What's up you guys, my name is Jesse and welcome to my channel. So today we finna be installing a cold air intake in my XJ6. The procedure is very similar for an X300 and an XJ40. So it's said that a cold air intake is supposed to increase a vehicle's horsepower, but it all really depends on the design. You might think that you're feeling a throttle response difference after installing a cold air intake, but it's very likely that you'll gain any horsepower from a cold air intake. But what you will gain is a cool looking engine bay and being able to hear Jaguar purr. I wonder if Jaguars purr. Hold on you guys, let me do a real quick Google search because I don't know everything, even though it seems like I do, but I don't. You know, gotta fake it till you make it. Do Jaguars purr? For the most part, big cats, lions, tigers, leopards, and jaguars can roar, but they can't purr. Didn't know that. Well, that's because those Jaguars don't have a cold air intake installed. So let me show you guys how to get your Jaguar purring. Let's go. Remove the air intake cover. Loosen 4 spring clips around the air filter housing. Remove the air pump hose. On the XJ6, it's plugged in the back of the air filter housing. On the X300 and XJ40, it's attached with a hose clamp. Loosen the MAF Sensor spring clips. Remove the 10mm mounting bolt. It's common for the rubber mount to crack and break. Disconnect the mass airflow sensor connector. Use a flathead screwdriver or a 6mm socket to loosen the hose clamps. You don't have to do this, but you might as well clean the mass sensor since it's already out. Make sure to only use mass airflow sensor spray. The mass airflow sensor measures the amount of air entering the engine, and it tells the fuel injectors how much fuel it should spray. Install a 3-inch straight coupler. You might want to consider getting a 3.5-inch to a 3-inch coupler so it could fit all the way. Leave the hose clamps a little loose just in case you need to rotate the parts so they could align correctly. I'll be cutting this plastic tube in half so it fits. Remove the air pump hose from the engine. Use the rubber tube to install a breather filter. Alright, I know most of you guys are looking to install this kind of style of a cold air intake. The steps are very similar. Get a 3-inch filter cone, install a 45-degree 3-inch intake tube, and drill a hole in the intake tube, and install a rubber grommet. Then install a fitting connector to attach to the smart pump hose. Install a stainless steel heat shield around the cone and you're done. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. And if you personally want to support this channel, there's a donation link in the video description. All donations will be used for tools, parts, and video equipment to bring you guys more videos. I'm currently saving up to upgrade the lower supercharger pulley. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.